In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to calculate your total yearly spending from your eBay purchase history. If you want a quick way to see how much you've spent on eBay over the course of a specific year, this method is simple and practical. You won't need any special software beyond eBay and a spreadsheet tool like Google Sheets or Microsoft Excel. The goal is to pull your purchase data, organize it in a spreadsheet, and then let the spreadsheet do the math for you. Start by going to My eBay and opening purchase history. This is where eBay keeps a record of the items you've bought, and it gives you a convenient way to review your past orders. Once you're in that section, take a moment to make sure you're looking at the correct account and that your order list is fully visible on screen. Next, filter your order view by the specific calendar year you want to evaluate. This is important because you only want to total the purchases from that one year, not your entire buying history. Using the year filter helps narrow the results, so the data you copy will be more accurate and easier to work with. Before moving on, quickly scan the page to confirm that the visible orders match the time period you want to analyze. After that, highlight and copy the page data, then paste it into a Google Sheets or Excel document. When you paste the information, it may not look perfectly organized right away, and that's normal. You may need to identify which column contains the item prices and make sure those values are separated clearly from the rest of the purchase details. If needed, widen the columns a bit so the numbers are easier to read. The main thing you want is a clean price column that represents the purchases shown in your filtered eBay history. Once your data is in the spreadsheet and your price column is ready, use the equals sum formula on that column to calculate your absolute total spend. For example, you would click into an empty cell and enter a sum formula that covers all the price cells in that column. As soon as you press enter, the spreadsheet will add everything together and show your total spending for that year. That's it. With just your eBay purchase history, a yearly filter, and a basic spreadsheet formula, you can get a clear picture of your annual spending quickly and efficiently.